FlowOps AI, build a multi-agent assistant with Langflow and Composio overview. FlowOps AI is an intelligent multi-agent assistant built using Langflow and Composio, designed to revolutionize how teams manage meetings, workflows, and daily operations. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that simply respond to prompts, FlowOps AI thinks, plans, retrieves, and executes. It combines the reasoning power of Langflow's agentic architecture with Composio's powerful integration layer to create a self-operating assistant that connects real-world tools like Google Calendar, Gmail, Notion, Slack, and more. Core concept. At its heart, FlowOps AI demonstrates how to merge RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and multi-agent orchestration to create an AI that actually gets things done, not just talk about them. The system follows this layered intelligence model. Speaking head, basic prompting layer. The user enters a natural prompt such as, schedule a strategy sync with the design team next week and send them a meeting brief. Langflow processes the intent and delegates the task to FlowOps AI's specialized agents. Brain RAG knowledge layer. FlowOps retrieves relevant company documents, meeting histories, or project data to enrich the context. It doesn't rely solely on memory. It connects to a real-time knowledge base via Langflow's RAG nodes to ensure accuracy. Robot face, decision-making agent layer, simple agent. A Composio-powered agent reasons through multi-step decisions, like checking schedules, confirming attendee availability, or drafting context-aware emails, and executes them automatically. Real-world impact. Imagine having a multi-agent executive assistant that can auto-schedule meetings on Google Calendar, retrieve project details from Notion or Google Drive open file folder, draft and send follow-up emails envelope, summarize meeting notes and decisions using RAG receipt, trigger actions in tools like Slack or Trello for workflow automation high voltage. This isn't just a concept, it's FlowOps AI, a real-world demonstration of how Langflow plus Composio can make intelligent automation feel human-like, dynamic, and actionable. Why it's different and viral-ready. Most Langflow projects today show isolated features, chatbots, RAG search, or task execution. FlowOps AI combines them all into one unified agent ecosystem that feels like an AI chief of staff, capable of reasoning, recalling, and acting across multiple tools. This makes it collision competition ready, demonstrates deep integration of Langflow plus Composio. Rocket viral worthy, people will see it doing actual work. Puzzle piece expandable, you can plug in CRMs, docs, APIs, or SaaS tools easily.
We log into our Langflow through data stars. So when you choose from this application, choose a new flow to access our Langflow ID editor. So we have three basic prompting. Also have a vector restore lag, a simple agent. But so let's say we suppose if we don't want to use any of this, we can create a new flow. With Langflow, but I'm not looking at Langflow. I already designed. I'm going. Right. So we have our tools in here. So we have calendar. We have OpenAI agents. We also have Composio tools, but in meanwhile, so we have we have a Composio. So this tool basically is to generate a meeting and draft an email. Then the meeting and draft and create an email draft via the meeting that was created. So before we do that, we need to draw a node, or a node has to be drawn. So with this, we have Composio tools, which is this. So we have API keys in here. So So we select we have a two name Gmail. Before that, I have to access my Composio. The Composio which I've already registered. I've registered and I've got my API keys. So we have access to all these codes because you can have access to all these all two keys. So all two keys. So once you do that, grab your API key. API key which I've taken my API key from here. Taking my API key. Then I have access to Google Calendar. Google Calendar. So to Google Calendar. So from there, so I've used the API key. So with this action, fetch emails. This fetch emails. So we have this also under node. Node. Create email draft. So this one fetch emails. So this node, so we connect this node to this OpenAI, to this OpenAI, connect to OpenAI. See, the calendar to OpenAI. Also connect the URL. Also connect the URL. You can pass to any URL at all to get any data. So we also have our chat input. Get to the input of the OpenAI. We also have a chat output to the responses coming from the OpenAI. We also have we have also we are all expecting to do is we are expecting to create a meeting, via the chat responses. The meeting after creating the meeting, after creating the meeting, it send the email draft to my mails and other participants and create a Google meeting. So let's see. Let's go. So we're going to test with our playground. See with our playground. Test and see. So we want to create a meeting for 5 p.m. GMT today. Title live conference for Composio Langflow meeting for 30 minutes. All right. So we'll do that then. Waiting for the responses. Okay, I'm working. All right. See that? So it has. You say that this is for meeting. So you already draft it out. Then it has sent me. Right away, it has sent my Gmail, the draft, which I'm going to check right here. All right, so there's a meeting. Your name is draft of this meeting. This is the draft. So, send this meeting. You see that? So, with this, you can automate the tools. You can do a lot. You can with this you can automate your meetings, during the meetings, send regarding meetings. You can schedule meetings via this even while you're at work, while you are the business operations. When you are a busy schedule, you can set this such that AI can handle meetings, can create Google Meet, can create meetings for having meetings on the flow, and can also send a reminder. So these are Langflow work. So because we can achieve a lot with this FlowOps AI um, agentic multi-agent. So this is very responsive and this very unique. So Thank you to see. So we want to see the next video. We share more on how to build more assistant tools.